With the use of banana and simple ingredients, you can have soft, glowing, and wrinkle-free face in days by controlling oily and dry skin. Banana is available throughout the year and is a superfood that is rich in moisture and antioxidants. So before you throw an overripe banana in the bin, remember that you're holding one of the easiest and inexpensive solutions to all your skincare problems. Here is the recipe. 1. Banana face mask for oily skin. Ingredients: banana, papaya, cucumber. This refreshing mask combines the goodness of papaya and cucumber with bananas to nourish oily skin. Papaya helps reduce pigmentation. Cucumber hydrates and soothes dryness. Banana softens rough skin. Blend 1/4 papaya, 1/4 cucumber, and half a banana together to form a smooth paste. Apply this on your face and neck and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. 2. Banana face mask for dry skin. Ingredients: banana, honey. Bananas are a rich source of potassium, vitamin A and E, which work together to hydrate dry skin and moisturize it. They also have vitamin E, which protects from free radicals, and vitamin A, which moisturizes and evens out skin tone. Adding honey to bananas helps retain moisture by hydrating your skin. Mash half a ripe banana with a fork. Add a tablespoon of honey to this and mix. Apply this mixture on your entire face, and let sit for 15 minutes. Rinse it off. 3. Banana face mask for skin whitening. Ingredients: banana, gram flour, lemon. Gram flour and lemon are known for their skin brightening properties and add their magic to this banana face mask. Mix half a ripe banana with 1 tablespoon of gram flour and the juice of half a lemon. Apply this mixture on your entire face, and let sit for 15 minutes. Rinse it off. These recipes just take you 5 minutes or less to do, so what are you waiting for? Try one recipe per day for 1 week and see instant results. Make sure to let us know the outcome in the comments sections below. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative beauty-related videos regularly. Thanks for watching The Health Room.